Most leaders ask, will AI replace people? I think that's the wrong question. The better question is, how can AI help us become more human?
AI is just technology, and a lot of people are scared of AI. They have this idea that AI is going to take over the world or whatever. It's actually a fear-based idea to saying we're not going to use AI. Technology is there to make our lives easier and to make our lives better. To give a simple example, without technology, we wouldn't be able to take a shower every day. So are we going to avoid taking a shower every day because maybe showers are going to, or maybe hot water is going to take over our world? I don't think so. So again, it's not the AI itself that's the problem, it's the way we use it. Instead of using the fear-based approach towards AI, also using the courage approach to AI, we can try and discover what AI can do for us. What we want AI to do is to take the repetitive, boring tasks out of our package of things to do. So, really using AI can also be a method to get more in touch with the empathic side, both yours and that of the team you're leading and the clients you're trying to sell your products to, by just listening to tone, for example, getting AI to pick up on the tone and just giving you a signal, hey, this tone is here, this tone is there. This saves us a lot of effort and makes it we can focus on actually zooming in on those emotions when they occur.